Magluto tayo ng chicken pulao. First, mag-grind muna tayo ng ginger, garlic, chili, coriander, mag-add salt, and then a little bit of water. Ito, marinate ko ito ng turmeric and lemon and salt. And then, maglagay tayo ng oil, cumin seeds, tomatoes, fried onion, lagay natin chicken, takpan, and then maglagay tayo ng potatoes, i-add natin yung chutney, yung sauce na pinay natin, haluin, maglagay tayo ng coriander powder and garam masala powder, yogurt, mint leaves. Ito yung nasuko na basmati rice, 2.5 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Kasi may water na yung chicken. Salt. And then, hanguin. Takpan. And then, once na mag-boil na siya, kunti na lang tubig. Huwag na siyang haluin. Yan, takpan at salad.